Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Now I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account if you no longer want to use it. There will be a step to try to get you to just deactivate it, which means if you were to simply log in again, your Facebook would be restored. But while it's deactivated, people can't find you or tag you in anything. So that is an option if you want to temporarily get rid of it. But I will show you how to do both temporarily deactivate and permanently delete your Facebook account. So we're going to click on this drop-down arrow and click on Settings. Then you're going to go to Your Facebook Information. There's this tab, Deactivation and Deletion. So this will give you both options if you click on View. Now if you deactivate it, again, you can choose, I'll show you how to do this. It'll have you type in your password. And then you can say your reason for deactivating. So basically if you click on any of these, they're going to try to get you to not even deactivate it, but you can choose. If you want to do it temporarily and you only want it gone for a certain amount of time, you can do up to 7 days of deactivation before it's reactivated. You can basically choose any of these, but again, it will try to get you to do something. You can just close out and ignore the blue button basically every time. And then you can opt out of receiving future emails, and because as it says here, even after you deactivate, your friends can still invite you to events, tag you in photos, or ask you to join groups. That's if you're already friends with them. You can make sure to opt out of those, and you can also choose to keep using Messenger if you like the messages feature but don't want the rest of Facebook still. I'm going to click cancel though and show you how to permanently delete your account. So we're going to click back to your Facebook information, click on view, and then permanently delete. This means you won't be able to retrieve any of your content or information, so you'll want to make sure to download anything from Facebook that you want to keep. And if not, you're just going to continue to account deletion. In order to keep Messenger, you have to deactivate instead of delete. And you can also download your information easily here if you want to keep that. But this is only if you own the information or you posted it, I believe. So just make sure anything you're tagged in is saved before you delete your account. I'm going to click delete. Again, it will have you do a password. And then it's going to make sure you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion, and after that you won't be able to retrieve anything. So if you forgot about something or you've changed your mind, you do have 30 days to basically log in and get all of that information back. So now it's scheduled for permanent deletion and you'll be good to go in 30 days.